our greatest need. I stretch forth my hands unto thee, my soul thirsteth after thee, as a thirsty land. Psalm chapter 143 verse 6. Not long ago I visited the dean of a great American university. We looked out the window of his office and watched hundreds of students walking to their classes. I asked the dean, "What is the greatest problem at this university?" He thought a moment and answered, "Emptiness. So many people today are bored, lonely, searching for something. You can see it in their faces." One girl home from college told her wealthy father, "Father, I want something but I don't know what it is." That's true of many people. We want something to meet the deepest problems of our lives, but we haven't found it. David said, "I have found it. I shall not want." The Apostle Paul expressed it, "I have learned in whatever state I am, to be content." You don't have to give up on life, to throw up your hands and cry, "It's no use." You can have God's peace, God's joy, God's happiness, God's security, and yours can become the most thrilling life in the world. Prayer for the day. Lord Jesus, you quench the thirst and longing of my soul. Praise your blessed name.